So welcome back to another series of this amazing drawing, which is called the title personality. How to shading techniques. I've already introduced you in the first video how to shade and the shading techniques. And also don't forget to get a soft like this, maybe a sheet like this, just to make sure, because sometimes whatever type of pen you're using, it might be running so much ink. Then you have to clean it with this stuff. You get, so just what you have to need it for. So today I'll be showing you. I've already introduced you what is about hatching, cross-hatching, scribbling. So now we're going to practicalize what we've actually introduced you to. So actually I've started this work already, but I'm going to share with you also so that you can actually have experience of it, a practical of this. Just try to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on YouTube, on our Facebook page, which is Obstacles at Work. Also follow us on our Instagram account, also Obstacles at Work, and also in Twitter. Follow us, repost our posts, like, share everything, so you can do it together. And also stay close to this channel, then you will learn more about how you can improve your drawing, make it a more realistic drawing. So thank you. Let's continue. So now I will be starting by hatching techniques. Though here, if you can see very well, I've already started my hatching technique here. So this means I want to complete this here. I'm going to use cross hatching. So which means that I've already made hatching, which is this I've made already. Then I'll be using my cross hatching here. So stay glued and don't miss out. Let's start. So you do it gently, as I've already said in my first video, that is how more you are more careful about it, you can actually make it right. So I can say that due to my experience with that. So because everything about it, and also one thing about it is that you have to be consistent with it, because everything in this life deals with consistency and how you prioritize everything. So can you see it? So it's called that I've introduced it in the first video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay glued for more of this video. So this cross-hatching, I'm making it more practical for you so you can see the shading techniques. So after you get in, you can also practice it by drawing any sketch, or you can use this shading techniques, because I can see many artists which are also interested in drawing with pen, which is big pen I will recommend for you. That's a pen I love so much, so I said earlier. So don't miss out on this. I think you can see it very well. So actually I can use hatching just to make it out everything, but I would like to introduce it to cross hatching. So which means I will finish this side with hatching techniques. So this will be a short video just for you to know what is hatching and cross hatching techniques all about. So you can also utilize it when you are making your artwork, almost a realistic artwork. So stay glued to our channel. So love you more. And also you can see this. So and also make your hand stable so much that you will not have to make mistake, and don't be discouraged. One thing is that you have to be confident. I just like my boss he said to me, you said in his video, sorry, you said build confidence, and also don't think about if you mistake. Because one thing is that in fact sometimes loser lose, winner lose, so don't just try to make yourself more bolder. You can see I'm also using crocheting here, then this is it. And sometimes, and as much you are more consistent with it, you see you are more better about it. Yesterday I wasn't like this, so and I also believe that I'll be more better every day than this. So as I said that actually the more I'm consistent about it, also I believe that I'll be more better about it, so I will also say that to you. So just stick with this. One thing about our surprise at talk is that actually we are teaching practical how to make pen drawing. We're trying to orientate you, not to motivate, also to motivate you that you can actually be made better with what you are doing. It's about consistency, so don't give up about anything you are doing, and trust God for everything. You have got it. So, and you seen the hatching techniques. This also cross hatching I'm using for the nose here, so which means more realistic when I'm done with it. Just stick with my YouTube channel, because I'll be dropping the video